Welcome everybody to Game & Watch 2013. We're playing Techno, Kitten Adventure, and I've got SCVKMT with me. And we just played, we have survived through Dream Pack and Meat Pack. Meat Pack has been the worst one so far. Now, yeah, we're doing Cloud Pack. Oh, we could be a baby kitty. Look at him. He looks so awesome. Oh, it says I will reach and a rainbow hand comes up. That's cool. Holy crap, there's so much stuff going on. Whoa! That's cool. Oh, shoot. So yeah, basically what we're doing in this game is avoiding these white stars while avoiding all these other obstacles. What the heck was that? Ah! Meow!
Just say it's all right. The sun will rise again. I'll be your car. The storm has passed, my friend.
What the heck? Baby kitty, you suck. I knew that was gonna come up. It's whoa! There's double rainbow. I feel like this one's not gonna be as bad. Then again, I may have just regretted that saying. Whoa! There's the eyes in the middle. That's creepy. Oh god, it's getting fast. Oh wow, it's circling around him now.
Oh my god.
Oh, here we go. Whoa! There's triangle life now. Whoa, what the heck? Ah! And there's scores flying everywhere. My god, it's distracting. Oh my god, there's like atom lights everywhere too. Ugh. Oh! Those triangle things are so distracting. Good lord. Oh. Do we dare continue on? Oh. Whoa! So apparently to get a specific amount of points, you unlock more cats to play as. So that's kind of cool. So I do want to unlock some more. So I can see the cuteness of all of them. On the meat pack, you can unlock a hot dog kitty. Oh god, there's flashing lights now. It's like a strobe light. Oh, it's going fast now. Oh god. Oh! With the flashing lights too. Ah! Are you seeing this right now? Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. That's the loop right there. You can totally tell that it's the loop. Alright, I guess we'll keep going until we die. Doing pretty good so far. Oh, I just jinxed myself there. Oh, there's a love kitty. All right. All right, so we got one more stage to play, and that is the lava pack. I feel like this one's going to be the worst one. Stay tuned, everybody. More Techno Kitten adventure coming back.